Hey, thank you for taking a little time to know more about your business. My name is Chris Reala. I wanted to quickly share this video with you. I'm a member of the Local Business Heroes. We are a community organization right here in New York that helps businesses stop losing customers to their competitors and attract more new customers from the internet. I was doing research this morning for Locksmith in Bayside and wanted to share my experience with you because I think that there's an opportunity for you that might make some sense. If it does, you should have a quick phone call. We should have a quick phone call, and if not, no big deal. My goal is to at least share some value with you guys. So when I did that research and the screen loaded, I was looking at the three local businesses recommended by Google right here under the map. So here's the map, and here are the businesses. And as you can see, your business doesn't show up at all, and your business is not the obvious first choice that most prospects will call. And uh, these three businesses is probably getting the most number of new customers online. Your new customers could be. And technically, the reason is because most people making buying decision will base their choice on who to contact based on who has the best rating and the most reviews. Now, if you can see here, there's a link down there. It says more places. If you want to know the rank of your uh, business reputation, you one way to check it is to click on this link, and it will give you another page where you could look for your business and see the status of your business reputation. And but we can run a whole report for your business at no charge. We will show you what is your present reputation for your of your business. And all right, now if you can see, the thing about these results is that none of these businesses really stand out from the others when you're looking at the reviews and the number of star ratings. And yeah, that's actually great news for you guys because it means that a little bit of effort can really go a long way. We could help you create bunch of five-star reviews for your business. And what that's going to do is it will help make you the highest rated local business and make sure that you get the new clients instead of your competitors. I know that you guys have been doing a good job. You have tons of happy, satisfied customers. But the problem is the happiest customers don't usually leave reviews. And unfortunately, there are customers, leaving bad reviews too. It normally happens, but we can help you prevent, that bad reviews to be landed on your business. And yeah, but the most important is, to get you a new bunch of good reviews or five-star reviews for your business. Now, uh, but the but the reason why they are not leaving any reviews, the happiest customers or the happy customers are not leaving any reviews, is because they forget it, they don't have time for it, or they just don't know how to do it. These are the common reasons we hear over and over from our clients. And the fact of the matter is, I have some real world examples that can show you where we helped a client get 16 five-star review in just 24 hours. I can show you how we helped clients go from 0 stars rating to 3.5 to 4.9 to 5-star ratings. I have countless examples of that. And the best part is all of this can occur in a very short period of time. It doesn't have to take forever to fix this problem. It's really kind of a plug it in, let's get going, let's get you a bunch of new reviews and new customers because that is what's gonna happen. As you guys keep getting better reviews, you will see that many more people will start calling you because of this page right here. And think about that over the course of the next 12 months. If you get that many more clients, or on the other side, if you lost clients because of something that's so simple to fix, why wouldn't you just address that? All I'm asking right now is to go ahead, take a moment to schedule a quick call with one of our senior managing partners. Just click on the link below to schedule, and let's just hop on a quick 15-minute phone call, and we'll share exactly how this system works and how easy it is. And you know what? This isn't a problem you need to ignore. I get it. Clients that come to us, they are usually overworked and super frustrated if they have no reviews or they have bad reviews. And they're tempted to say, hey, just that's just the way it is. But it doesn't have to be that way. We're going to fix that for you. Let's just start by having a quick call to talk about it. Thanks for the opportunity and for watching the video. I look forward to speaking with you soon. Make it a great day. Goodbye.